All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset this pesky maintenance required light. So follow along. So this is a 2006 Honda CRV, and I have not found some good information. Some people are just saying hold in the trip button and then turn the key on and start it. I did not get that to work with this one. So what I've done is, you're gonna turn the key on, you're gonna put it in trip B, then turn the key back off, okay? Then you're gonna hold the button down and turn the key on. The maintenance required light right here should come on and stay on. Keep holding the button. Once the light goes out, boom, it's done. Put it back to your mileage, turn the key off, start it up. It should no longer be flashing and the light should be off. 2006 Honda CRV, easy maintenance reset. Thanks for watching.